1 hour out of jail, banned from the store, walks straight in anyway, tries to steal a beer, gets caught on camera, and then opens his mouth. What comes out next, you genuinely could not make up.
What's your name?
I didn't steal the beer, bro.
So you were there?
No, this is from Julasco.
Okay.
I just bought it.
Who's that guy? You don't want to talk to me?
I don't know who he is. He might have stolen it, bro.
Okay, are you Licurgo? What's your name?
John?
John, what's your last name?
Diaz?
John Diaz. Okay, you just look like somebody that might have been a little bit familiar. Okay, were you just at Meyer?
No, sir. I was at Julasco.
You were at
They
Jewel.
only sell 4 Locos at Julasco.
Okay, why did you say I didn't steal the
I didn't steal no.
Okay. Do you know who's...
I think I might have seen someone.
Where?
And they were on 64. They were running left.
Running left?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind if I see your ID? Just so
All right, I am Lico, but I didn't steal the beer.
Dude,
I didn't steal the beer. I bought this at Jewel.
Huh?
I bought this at Jewel. I didn't steal the beer.
Okay, but...
I didn't steal the beer. And
Okay.
I'm helping this guy get to his train station, bro.
That's fair enough. Diaz Sandy, right?
Yes.
How do you spell the last name again?
D-I-A-Z. But I didn't steal no beer. I don't know.
D-A-Z S-A-N-D-I?
Yes. I didn't steal
So,
no beer.
Lico, just be straight with me. You were just at Meyer, right?
No, I wasn't.
At all. Like, there's...
I only looked. I
Okay,
went in, but I didn't steal.
So you were at Meyer,
Yes, but I didn't
Okay.
steal. I have this in my hand as proof. 4 Loco.
and you bought that one at Jewel?
Yes.
Just now?
Cash.
But you were at Meyer before that?
Yes, looking.
Okay. It's L-I-C-U-R-G-O?
Yeah.
Did you have a middle name?
Roman?
All right.
First he wasn't there, then he was just looking, then he dropped it by accident. Then someone told him to do it, then he realized he had money, so he threw it back. Bro changed his story 5 times in 3 minutes. The officer just let him keep going.
So what's the matter?
Well, Meyer called and reported a retail theft. Person matching your description. Obviously, you're
But I have
admitting
this in my hand.
But that was after. You went to Jewel after Meyer, right? Like, I assume you were at Meyer and then you just went to Jewel?
Yeah, but I don't have no retail theft. I don't have any items from Meyer.
I got
Pat me
you.
down.
But you dropped the beer on the way out?
I left it. I didn't steal it.
Okay. Okay.
I was like, fuck.
Why did you end up dropping it?
So I was scared. Who's from the rescue?
Did somebody say something to you out there or there? That
Yeah, they
caused you
said to
drop
return it. They said, hey, you forgot to pay for that.
Okay.
So I forgot to pay for it.
Okay.
So I'm not going to jail, right?
Well, I don't know. This is the guy that was talking to Meyer.
Well, I don't want to go to jail. So I returned the item, bro. I got you. I didn't steal it.
Good.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? I returned the item. I don't know what they're talking about.
So, I mean, I saw you on video. You ditched it, yeah.
I ditched it, and I bought this with cash.
You bought that with cash
4 Loco from Julasco.
from Jewel?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I don't know why. I just got out of jail just like an hour ago.
Okay. What were you in jail for?
Traffic court.
Traffic court.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did return I dropped it. I didn't pay. I don't know. I don't know anymore.
Okay. I mean, yeah. At least
I returned it.
you trespassed. Okay. Well.
Am I going to jail?
Well, hang on.
Please,
Okay.
just let me go off with the warning one time, bro. I didn't mean, please. Just be like, I returned the item, bro.
So you're clearly on video, though. It's a thing. And
I returned the item, though.
You made it past the last point of sale and in the vestibule.
So I'm going to jail?
Not going to jail. But
I'll take a fine. I'll take a $500 fine right now.
But the problem is you are trespassed from Meyer, so you're not allowed.
I didn't know that.
There's a report on it.
They said I was trespassed?
So, no. Previously, you had been trespassed.
We'll confirm it, but they just told us that you were
Give me a minute.
Just same time as
Otherwise, it's a citation or long form.
Citation, please. Can I get a citation?
I
gotta get out of here, bro.
retail thing?
It's attempted.
Like, we passed the last point?
Yeah, but I gave it back.
I get it. I've just always been, like, it's either retail theft or retail.
I don't think it's retail.
So, do you want to...
Citation. Come on,
Do you
please.
wanna
Give me
them a
one
call?
chance.
Maybe we'll just go to trespassing
Okay. Yeah.
and see if they're cool
Yeah,
with
it's
that.
$5. Yeah.
So... Oh, but... Anyway, okay, retail theft or not, it qualifies. I mean, he has prior. See what they want to do
Okay.
as far as that.
Okay.
Can I get a citation? Can I get a citation?
We're working on that, okay? Just hang on a second.
Thank you. I don't want to go to
Just-
jail, bro.
just
I'm
to
a fucking retard, bro.
Who's your guy? Just quit.
That's my homie from jail, bro. He's trying to get to Elgin from the 547, but we don't have enough time to get back because the bus is about to pull up. So I did take it, but I put it back.
So why did you buy that one?
Because this is way stronger. That's why I threw it back. I was like, that.
Yeah, but you weren't going to pay for the one at Meyer.
That's why I threw it back.
So here's my question, though. You say you have money to buy that at Jewel. Why didn't you have money to buy the one at Meyer?
Because I didn't check my bank account at the time. So I was actually about to take it, but then I was like, oh, I actually have money.
Is Jewel going to call us?
No.
And tell us that you
If
stole
you
it?
calls us, come find me to put me in jail.
Okay.
Awesome.
Well, just hang on.
This is a
You
citation.
want to lean up against my car until we figure out what's going on?
I'm going to drink the rest of this, bro.
Well, dude, you're drinking in public. Why don't you stop, or I can write you a ticket for that.
Damn, this whole girl's after me, bro. Oh, I can never have a normal life.
I mean, it's been a bit since we've dealt with you, so that's good, right?
But I just got a like thing saying you can't like, I don't know. I don't really care anymore, bro.
What'd you just get out of jail for?
Traffic court. Like I missed court and they put me in jail for like 4 hours.
Oh, so
They took me to Kane County branch and then got me out.
you had an FCA warrant or something?
Yeah, it was like a petty warrant because I missed court, the Kane County branch court. But then they told me to come back March 13th.
Gotcha.
Like, yeah, if I could just get a citation, I'm retired, bro.
I got you, man.
Just tell the lady at Meyer.
Just stay cool with me. We're working on it, okay?
I didn't mean to, man. I'll pay her back if she wants the money for the hell of it.
We're working on it. You didn't open.
No, sir. That's how she got it back.
Okay.
Now, an open container in the store is illegal without purchase.
Well, that's illegal too. So,
Yes.
what's your plan for the rest of the day?
I'm going to go to the library, and I got to call my Jewel. I actually work at Jewel now. No joke.
Okay.
You want to see evidence?
No.
I'm going to show it to you.
I trust you.
No, I'm going to show you my shirt. Look at my Jewel Osco shirt.
Did you just get hired there?
Yeah. So I started work. I was supposed to go to work today at 11, but my probation officer was like, go to jail because
Okay.
she snitched me out for the warrant.
Gotcha.
So I was supposed to start work today. So I'm gonna have to call them up and start work tomorrow. That's why I went to Meyer. I was like, and then I was like, just go to Meyer or Jewel.
And here's the kicker. He just got hired at Jewel, starting tomorrow. Was supposed to start today, but his probation officer sent him to jail first. So he went to the store next door instead to steal a beer that he could afford.
They want to charge you with retail theft and trespass. So-
Why?
Because you're not allowed there, and they attempted to stop you, and you didn't stop.
I did stop. I gave it back to her.
No, you ditched it out of the pocket of your coat. You ran. So they want to charge you. So I have no choice in this. You're under arrest right now.
All right, cool. Thank you.
So-
Can I finish my house?
No,
For real?
for real.
At least you're not gonna be cold, right?
I got it. Freedom's not too far from here.
Okay. What does that mean?
I don't know.
No, man. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Just stay close. All right, fine. Take me to St. Charles.
Yep.
All right, I'll be out in an hour.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Dragon 1383. I'm 23. You're not going there 95. This is related to the retail theft. It's all right. Can I?
I'll take it and toss it.
All right.
Let's get back there.
Thank you.
Good night, you know.
What were you in jail for?
I missed my February 18th traffic court, and I just got out like literally an hour ago.
I mean, I could look that up.
Yeah, you can. I have to go back the 13th. Yeah. But yeah, thank you for just making a citation about it. I thought I was going back to Kane County.
Yeah, criminal trespass. That's what you.
Yeah, I keep criminal trespassing everything, man. I suck. I'm sorry.
We don't want to have a problem with you. We don't want to.
Yeah, me either. You know, I don't know why I do it. I can't lie to you. I can't tell the truth. I don't know why I do it. I just do. I don't think, I guess. I really don't think. But it's alright. And I got kicked out of these apartments right next to us, as we see. I was living here for about a month and 8 days.
Hey, Parker, you all good?
I was paying rent.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
I was paying rent, and
You're
I was
actually paying rent?
I was paying $500 a month.
Wow.
Yeah, and these apartments are like $1,600. But like the lady forced me. She didn't force me out, but she kind of just like swapped me out with her ex-husband again. And I was like, damn.
So what's your plan now that you're out and about? I mean, it's cold out.
I mean, I got a job at Jewel, so if I can just like maintain that shit, I can get like another.
You got a job here at Jewel, and
I really do. I'm not even lying. I actually do. But like, my probation sent me to jail because of the warrant. And I was supposed to start work at 11 today, right? But I couldn't go because I was in jail.
that's not good.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to call back the manager tomorrow and be like, hey, can I come to work? Because this is my second day, you know? Yeah, shit's crazy, man. I'm just trying to stabilize my life and have a family someday and all that, for real. I can never get to that point, it seems.
Well, I can tell you, actions have consequences, and it's about decisions.
You're right. You are right. I don't know why. Why did I take that beer from Meyer, bro? I'm not gonna lie. I don't care about no Miranda rights. I took it because I thought it was easy, and then I realized I had money in my Cash App, and then I was like, F that, and I threw it at her, and I ran. I was like, you know what? I have money. I don't need to steal, and that's why I bought the Four Loko with cash.
1 hour out of jail, 2 new charges, job starting tomorrow, and he's already figuring out what to tell his manager. He said it best himself. I don't know why I do it. I just do. Drop a comment. Do you think he showed up to work the next day?